Well, this is Pat Walker at MissionWinners.com doing a training coaching video for everybody. I love teaching. I've taught various things, including outdoor survival skills at higher elevations at one time. Did that for a couple of years and loved it. Loved it. So what are we looking at right now? Like, this will help you, I promise. One of the things I don't believe in is wasting people's time. Time is a valuable commodity. So here we go. Here's a list of ETFs that I follow. Now, this is being done on a Saturday. So I can't really sort them any special way, so I just sorted it quote sort up percent, or alphabetical. But there is a great tactic for you to do during the week. Take this list when the market's open. Do this a couple of times during the day. Sort it by quote sort up percent, and you will instantly see where the leadership is, industry group leadership during the day. It can help you stay where I need to maybe focus, but it also says, hey, areas I need to stay away from. So again, this is just an alphabetical. You can say, well, Pat, why don't you do a quote sort of percent? Market's closed, so there's no change in price right here. So here we go. Let's go through here. We're going to do a quick review here so we can see where money's going and where it's leaving. The IBD 50 is going sideways. You know, it's thin, okay? It's a good proxy for some leadership, okay? That's fine. Going sideways, no problem like that. Gold miners. Are you going to spend a lot of time looking at gold mining stocks? No. Move on. Forget it. Don't dwell on this. It's like this is... I'll show you leadership when we go through this list. This is not leadership. Gold. Going sideways. Maybe it'll start to pick up. Possibly take out these tops. But look at this bar. This is what we teach all the time in Mission Winners. You can say, oh, if it takes out the highs of this bar. Yes. How is this bar? Look at the open on this bar. Look at the close on this bar. Look at the volume on that bar. They sold it, so it needs to take out the top of that bar at least. There's all kinds of overhead here. Let's move on. By the way, you get this down to a science, you can go through this list of stocks. I guess there's like 24 of them or something in about, a minute. Here we go. Biotechnology's picking up. And it has been. It has been moving up. There you go. Biotechnology. North American technology moving up, which is part of the reason why we are heavy in technology stocks. IWM, small caps moving up. Think about this, folks. Small caps. What does this tell us? It's a risk-on environment. They're putting money to work, not just in the big stalwarts, but in smaller, more speculative stocks. That's good. Risk on. By the way, let me back up and say, I'm not saying buy it here. That's not my point. This is just an analysis for you to do every day. I encourage you to do this. You will be a better investor. By the way, I said investor. I did not say trader. I don't look at 5-minute charts. I hardly ever look at 10-minute charts. Trends pay. Jesse Livermore talked about it. Bill O'Neill talked about it. Everybody talks about it. Trends. Oil services. That's picking up a little bit, but it's below a falling 200-day. That's not leadership. Software. Lifted up. Fell on volume. Starting to pick up again. Maybe it'll start to come back. Software. Okay. NASDAQ 100. Sweet. Look at that. NASDAQ 100. Big tech stocks. What does that tell you? What was it telling you here? 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 Breaking out that things are good. NASDAQ 100. On down the list. Steel going sideways. Good. That's fine. What's it have to do with? The economy. Steel dropping hard. Might be a problem with the economy. That's fine. SMH. We're in SMH right here. You want to see something sweet? Look at that. Look at that clean and simple shelf. Is that Ray Charles could see it. It's nothing fancy. I'm sorry if that offends somebody. I didn't mean to. All right, I apologize. But it lifts off on a pickup in volume. People talk with their mouths and vote with their pocketbooks. Guess what? They voted. And what's it doing? It keeps on going. We're in it. Just let it work. Spiders grinding on up. Trailed off here a little bit, but still okay. Solar stocks starting to pick up, but it's, there's some overhead in here, not a leadership type of deal. Small caps, just like IWM. Oil picked up a little bit, but not real strong leadership here. Aerospace. See this drop here? Boeing. Oh, no, wait. Boeing. I'm sorry. Just flopping around here, okay? Nothing special with it. Home builders going sideways. What catches your eye on this, though? Oh, Pat, it's a nice consolidation. And wow, look at that volume on Friday. Look at the longer base. If this economy is tailing down, and I'm not saying it is, and I'm not saying it's going up, I'm just saying if the economy was Stock prices forecast the future. If things were looking crummy, you'd see home builders dropping. They're hanging in, okay? Basic materials, hanging in. Nice trend. There you go. Basic materials. Communications, technology. Technology, growth stocks, good. Energy, going sideways below a 200-day. Nothing special there. Just look at this. One quick glance and say, well, I guess we're not going to be looking at energy stocks, Ethel. Right. By the way, that's a bad pun. Energy and Ethel, okay? That's a gas joke, right? Okay. Financials. It's nice to see financials doing good. What catches your eye? One thing, you say, boy, that dropped on some volume on Friday, all right? Now, options expiration is part of it. We'll see what's up. But what's the trend? The trend is up. Industrials going sideways. Technology. That's why we're involved with technology. Look at that. That's sweet. Consumer staples going up. Utilities even picking up a little bit here. That's good to see. Healthcare picking up. A growth sector. Consumer discretionary. Fine. Okay, metals and mining got hit hard. Still, the trend is up. Got hit hard on volume. What does that tell you? To me, it says, I'm not going to be a hero and look to buy metals and mining stocks. It's that simple. You see how you systematize it? Retail's good. And then finally, software, another software ETF. Folks, what does that tell us? It's a risk-on environment. They're buying stocks. All right? Now, this took a little bit longer, but this list of ETFs, and I hope you took a picture of this, you can go through these ETFs. I'm serious. You can fly through these suckers. All this, if I wasn't talking, this is like a 45-second, 1-minute deal, and I know automatically where money's going and where money is leaving and where I need to focus. I wanted to share that with you, and I hope it helps you, and I thank you.